Ever wondered what it would be like to fly the latest fighter jet? Well, buckle up, because today we're delving into the exhilarating world of aviation, where technology meets the sky. Our journey begins with the unveiling of the most cutting-edge fighter jet to date. It's a marvel of modern engineering, equipped with state-of-the-art radar systems, stealth technology, and formidable firepower. But what's it really like to fly this beast? We had the privilege of speaking with Captain Scott "Eagle Eye" Morrison, a veteran pilot who's had the chance to test drive this magnificent machine. Captain Morrison told us, "The first time I climbed into the cockpit, I felt like I was stepping into the future. The controls are intuitive, the systems integrated seamlessly. It's a pilot's dream." And what about the jet's performance in the air? "It handles like a dream," Captain Morrison said. "The responsiveness is incredible. You think and it moves. It's like an extension of yourself." The jet's speed was another feature that left a lasting impression on Captain Morrison. "It's the fastest thing I've ever flown," he shared. "You push the throttle, and it's like you've been shot out of a cannon. The world blurs around you." One of the standout features of this aircraft, according to Captain Morrison, is its stealth technology. "You're practically invisible up there," he explained. "It gives you a real edge in combat situations." The jet's firepower also received high praise from Captain Morrison. "It's got everything you need to get the job done," he said. "Missiles, cannons, you name it. It's a one-stop shop for air superiority." As we wrap up our exploration of this latest fighter jet, let's revisit the key points that make it stand out. Its state-of-the-art radar systems and stealth technology make it a formidable presence in the sky. The jet's intuitive controls and seamless system integration make it a dream to fly, according to veteran pilot Captain Scott "Eagle Eye" Morrison. Its incredible responsiveness and speed are like nothing else in the sky, providing an unparalleled flying experience. And with its comprehensive firepower, it's a force to be reckoned with in any combat situation. In the words of Captain Morrison, it's the future of aviation. And from what we've learned today, it's hard to disagree. Until we meet again in the skies, over and out.